Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Thursday afternoon scalping session with myself, Ben, and Raffa. How you doing, Raffa?
I'm doing good. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Scalp Trading, and let's go.
Let us know if you're here in the chat. We see some people already. It's always fun to interact with each other. You can always ask questions. They don't have to be specific to what we're doing today. They can be questions in general. Last week we even tapped into a little bit of history, which why not? It's for free. Another thing that's for free is this smart money masterclass with OKX that we're hosting in the Netherlands. So if you're in the Netherlands, if you're close to Amsterdam, on the 15th of December, 7 o'clock, then make your way to this venue. Sign up on Luma. We'll leave a link in the description so that you can join. Approval is required. There's only limited spaces as well, so only 50 spaces, and currently we have 22, and we launched this yesterday or the day before. So spots are filling. So if you want to join, we're going to be talking about smart money concept with OKX and Altrady, and there's going to be some questionnaires with OKX as well. They've got some interesting things to show you. So yeah, if you're interested, if you're close, if you can make it, sign up and join us there. All right, now let's get to where people are really interested in. By the way, if you haven't noticed, we've got streams and videos where you can see what we're doing, what we're scheduled, and how we're going to be live. And if there's other educational videos, Rafa and Dimitro are doing their absolute best to provide you with lots and lots of trading knowledge through these videos, long and short form, and maybe even myself you will see come by in a few videos here or there. So make sure to check all that. All right, today we're going to be trading Binance futures with the quick scanner, fast drops turned on, looking at 15-minute time frame. USDT markets 1 million volume, 3% drops and rises. Let's go to the 3-minute chart. Those other tabs. Oh yeah, H. We were doing H last week, weren't we? And
yeah, we did.
Show how that was closed last time. Where was it? Did you also traded this the other day, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. If I don't remember, if I do remember well, yeah. Oh,
26th
here.
of November was last week, yeah. Yeah. So we closed this trade in profit as well.
Yeah. Look at that swing.
Yeah, it actually, like, it was a little bit annoying because obviously it was already in profit, but I had set up a trading stop loss, and actually it did hit the profit target. Just here, just this wick, it would have hit it, and it would have been another crazy profit run. But oh well, we had to go. We couldn't manage it. We couldn't check it. So this is not that position. It was this position. So we added another $1 to our thing. So yeah, let's see if we can find the market. What are we doing? Are we doing long or short?
Personally, today I'm a bit bearish. So let's see for some long, because next week will be a very important week for the market, and volatility is coming back. So I expect some nervous moves for today. What about you, Ben? What do you think? How is going your portfolio in general?
My portfolio. I mean, the mid swing, I should say. That's my trading stack for the midterm, not the long term. The long term I've sold. The midterm I bought back a little bit, which is currently hovering around the break even. So I need a little bit more of a push on Bitcoin. to get some nice profits, and then we'll be looking for our way down, because I still believe that we're gonna go down for the next few months.
We still have some space for the downtrend. Yeah, some margin for a drop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Let's see.
oof.
I'm trying to lock in my portfolio with good performance by this month. So next year we gonna start with a new strategy. So I'm trying to close most of my positions by this month.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it is gonna be an interesting, like, the end of year run people have heard of. So maybe it's something this time. I don't know. Yeah, you mean bear market for another 10 months? Yeah, in theory, yeah. I mean, if history repeats itself, then obviously. But who knows? Maybe this is the year the 4-year cycle actually has been broken. I don't know. It's mad times we're living in. That's what everyone says the first months after a cycle change. So why not? This is nice. This is nice. Can we get something nice already?
Hero.
Every time it's like it's different this time. Yeah, but that's, people like it different.
Market is always changing. That is the only same thing that happens every time. Change.
George is asking that he saw an order block. Did you place that with an indicator? If you saw the order block, that's probably what Roman drew manually, because we only draw fair value gaps, as order blocks are a little bit open to interpretation. We haven't added that to our indicator yet, as it's still a little bit questionable whether or not defines a order block. I mean, this is so there, but I don't see any weakness on the 5-minute yet. Perhaps on this level. Yeah. And then we get some nice 15-minute fair value gaps as well. Oh, we actually forgot to set up the short stream. We're not live on shorts. That doesn't mean that you can't watch it on mobile, but last time we had people watching shorts. Like a bull or bear indicator. Yeah, maybe we could look into that. Like maybe some technicals. Maybe we could actually do some Bollinger Band filters. Maybe. But it's going to be a while. We could. So right now we have this market cap thing and information about it, but we could add some technicals here as well, like a little bit of a screener data, so that we can see what the long-term, short-term trend is. I mean, we also have these status lights, which we can actually improve a little bit on. We can make it I don't know if you know the Trading View. They have those like those buy or strong buy and neutral sell and strong sell things. Maybe we could include that somewhere here.
Oh yeah, and like the sentiment, overall sentiment.
Yeah, the direction. Like right now, we're looking at
Yeah,
a 200 moving average on the 5-minute chart, but
yeah. Actually, most of the time it's wrong, but yeah, it gives you like indication about the overall
yeah,
sentiment.
I mean, we're going short here, so we're actually going against the trend because on the
Yeah,
1 hour it's bullish. On the 4 hour, it's not bullish. So how well is this market doing? On the daily, it's also bearish. So at what point do we consider trading against the trend?
yeah. If we are talking about macro trend, the main trend, if you are talking about just the short phase correction impulse, so the market is multiple markets.
Yeah. I mean, this is
There
like
is no market. When someone say the market actually is wrong, there is no market. There are markets. So
this to me looks like it's gonna go down. Don't let me be too late, please. Okay, let's go in. Please pick up. Please pick up. Don't leave me hanging. Thank you. And it better not be like a. There we go. Okay. Now we have this nice 15-minute fair value gap that it can hopefully go to, but otherwise, yeah, this is also forming. Well, the candle's just open, so we'll set it to the fair value gap right there, like for this candle.
so by default, when you are scalping, you use the 50-minute fair value gap. You don't change to 5 minutes or 30 minutes. You usually use 50 minutes as default fair value gap, Ben.
Yeah. When with the 3 minutes, then a 15-minute looks like it's been proven. Like in the last few months, we've actually done that. So actually, I don't want this stop loss now. I want to like if we can go above, if we can go above this one, that would be lovely. Like, do we have something of a? This is a nice level. And for our, yeah, we have this one. That's way too far. Like, we'll.
7%, yeah, not too much. We can scale in.
All right, let's see if we can find something as well. Because we're not here to just do one. No, that's the one we already have. That's looking nice. You know, it's been tested quite sometimes. It's now there. It's in the fair value gap. Let's see. Yeah, that's also good. I mean, that would be a beautiful trade. And how is it doing on the longer? Oh, we actually have something nicer here. Looks like Arrow is going for the next buy. I don't know yet. Would be nice if we can see some recovery on the stochastic as well. All right. So, did you do some live trading? You did yesterday, didn't you?
Today is Thursday, on Tuesday, and tomorrow, guys, we have the weekly recap. So tomorrow, if you have time, join us, and we're gonna talk about some news, macro data, and we take a look on Bitcoin chart, me and Dimitros. So that is, and next week on Wednesday, everyone should join us to watch live together Funk, Fed meeting, and Powell's speech.
Are they speaking again? What can we expect this time?
It's quite hard to say because everyone is expecting a rate cut by 25 base points again. But actually, the situation is quite unstable in USA. Also for like the liquidity regime. So it's likely they're gonna cut rate. But if inflation is still high in the United States, and it's quite hard, struggling situation. Yeah.
What?
Hippo.
No, that's a different one.
Well, future.
My Argo trade just got sold. But I don't think that was correct. No. Strange. Need to check that. Maybe that stop loss thing is still buggered. That's on this account.
Let me see.
And then I'm going to disable that quickly. Because we're still testing the feature, of course.
Oh yeah, we are out on Arrow. We are out 3 minutes. But actually, the stop loss was much higher than that, right?
I didn't put the stop loss there, but it was originally I put it there. So I think my account still has that bug enabled. So let me quickly disable that before we get into more issues, because I don't want that during the live stream. So I'll just be back in a sec.
All right, guys, I cannot manage the terminal because I haven't activated the account. So let's wait just a few seconds for Ben to get back here. If you have any question or any curiosity, just ask. I will try to reply you. And here we go.
Dokie. So now my account should not have this problem anymore.
Where did you go?
To my laptop.
Okay.
I had to change a setting that obviously I couldn't do here, but I think if I reload this now, definitely there now. But I want to, maybe we should give up on this trade now. It's a bit annoying because it was a it was a good one. 3 minutes. Actually, we can still do it, I suppose. Trading. Let's just go back to where we were, like so. And we wanted the fair value gap and make sure we have the 1%. And let's go. So we're back into arrow. Because I do still think it's going to go there. Yeah, and you see now the stop loss is not dark green, which means I'm actually using what production is using. So that's good. Nails. Ooh, it hit the fair value gap on that one. George says it often happens that when I try to place the TP somewhere, my exact location isn't accepted. Already then places the line somewhere else nearby. It seems to choose a different location magnetically. That can happen depending on the rounding. So not all prices are accepted by the exchange. So we could place it on that. It could also be that after you've placed it, that the fee that you actually paid may change the TP slightly. That's a possibility. But if you're concerned, our support team is there 24/7 to help you and answer any of these questions and look into any of these types of issues. Obviously, this issue is not something that you would have to be dealing with because that was only on my account as we're testing out a new feature. And obviously, I want to test new features with my money first before I let you risk your own. So let's see. The move is happening. Now, this is a little bit of a shame. But it could enter it. But it could also reverse. Like it formed a new fair value gap, but it should enter ideally. And we didn't want to use the stop loss. So now if I remove it, it's gone. That probably was the issue before, that the stop loss was still there. I just didn't see it.
So now, Ben, you trade without any stop loss. You just manage it manually. You change your strategy, your method.
No. We've been doing that for the last few weeks, of course, where we add an extra target if we have to. Right, so we manage it like that. So we find a better break-even point.
I see.
And this is what you'd like to see. Ooh, like a nice touch of the 200 moving average. It could mean that it's going to touch this fair value gap and then go down. We'll see. If it because that's a lot. This would be enough technically. That could be for a nice quick one. Like if it pops, I'm happy with this. Like if it just goes like poof, like this kind of wick style, I'm happy with this. Like we could leave it in for longer, but it's going to take a long time. If it gradually goes up, then we might. If it's like a gradual thing, and the Bollinger Band's narrow, then we could see a stronger move upwards. But right now, like the most expected thing is to just like to continue to do something like this, and then if this is the bottom, then it's gonna be doing something like that before we get there, right? So
Yeah.
let's hope we can get a quick one to there.
Yeah.
That's a nice
Otherwise,
little
it takes
spike.
a while.
Like it's unlikely. It's very unlikely that from here it just goes straight to there. That's just not, especially with this wide Bollinger Band. That's just not how it normally happens. So yeah. We get our first profit of the day.
So the first trade we don't count it because it was issue. So I don't update any number. I don't update any number yet.
That was just a technical difficulty with
So we don't
with
count
my
it.
account only. I cannot stress this enough. This is not a bug in the actual system that everyone's using, because otherwise I'd be closing this live stream and actually fixing it.
So 2 open trades, Arrow and now Oris.
Yeah, I think we can just lock these.
Yeah.
And see, perhaps. Yeah, this is still good. It's gonna take a bit longer, this one. Let's see. Maybe we can find something. Pippin. What's Pippin doing? That's a nice slope down. There's a nice fair value gap bit on Pippin. So let's create a new alert and then just lock it in and see. I mean, if it reaches that fair value gap anytime soon, then it's gonna be outside the Bollinger Band with largely largely oversold.
Wow.
Can I get in quickly?
Wrap it up.
Okay, let's go. Don't think we had a full fill. Is that a partial fill? Yeah, but now we get the full fill anyway. Let's disable the stop loss again. Yeah, because we want to have that extra target. It goes there. I will want to get the extra target. All right. Naors. Yeah. Nice 3 open positions. That's good.
BB has huge potential, so I bet on BB for today.
Yeah, that would be a good trade.
Yeah, there will be a massive drop. It's coming. It's coming.
In any case, this is not going to turn into a loss again because it's now moved so far in that we're going to be putting the stop loss in profit. So.
Ooh. So you didn't drag it by the cross. You just type on the trading window the stop loss.
This? No, I dragged it in there.
Okay. I miss it.
I mean, it comes up immediately. This is that's a shame. Too volatile.
Such an ugly candle.
Too volatile. Too early. Too greedy. Too quickly locked in. That was a mistake. Because it's gonna go there. It's gonna go there. Although on the minute, no, it's gonna go there for sure. Oh well. So that's the first break.
Yeah.
It's like, are we really gonna hold that one? I mean, it was such a beautiful move.
Hey. 0.07 cents.
See what I mean? See what I mean? That's why we set these alerts so that we can get in, because we're gonna see some nice liquidity sweep into. Look at that. Look at that. That's a move, people. That is a move.
That is our move.
I'm liking it so much. I'm gonna go in. No. Damn it.
No.
Oh, we might get lucky. We might get a little bit of a pullback.
Come on.
Oh.
It wants to go higher. It wants to go higher.
Let's see. We'll get Nioris.
Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful.
That's gonna be a textbook trade. Like, the Bollinger Band is still not narrow enough for me to move this take profit anywhere to higher places if we want to get out by the end of this live stream. So maybe during the day you do it, but and also, by the way, I'm going to be locking in this profit now because we don't want to turn this into a loss. That would be silly. And I expect it to bounce off this line, by the way. Like, I expect it to. Something happened. Oh, someone's testing on my demo account. No, we didn't get it. If this candle closes green, it's good. If we can get then just a little bit of a, like a nice there step, and then there, that would be lovely. We're close. Yeah, we're in.
Okay. Now we need to stay calm.
See the TP getting updated, so that's good. Nails. It touched the fair value gap, but why wouldn't you actually I didn't even touch it yet.
It's trying to.
Let's switch to 1 minute. Arrows. Arrows move into it. Oh, we don't want it. No, we don't want there. We want there. We want it outside the Bollinger Band, not inside. Oh.
So stop loss should be placed always outside the Bollinger Bands.
We just lost something. What do we lose?
No, take profit. Take profit is gone. Yeah. Now worries. Second profit.
Yay! We got it.
Ooh, not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah.
How is Arrow doing? Yeah, that's a nice top of the fair value gap actually. Can we get a little bit of that information, please?
Hmm.
3 minutes. It's not oversold yet. Overbought yet. I mean, this was the fair value gap. We're doing okay. We're doing okay.
You don't try to scale in, Ben. You just
Yeah, I'm gonna take the order here.
Oh, okay. Ooh. Ooh.
And then we'll probably get out there. Come on, Arrow. Deflate already.
And Pippin.
Yeah, how's Pippin looking? Ooh. That's looking good, actually. That's looking very good. Yeah. Again, this fair value gap is too nice not to grab it. If it goes quickly, Bollinger Band is so wide. If it goes quickly, we want to get out there.
Wow. It seems like it's forming a floor for a rebound. Hero.
That's nice. We're gonna close hopefully in the red, not in the green. Otherwise, I would have made a too quick move, and that's not good. It's never good to move quickly. Okay. So yeah, I think with 15 minutes on the clock, I think this is going to be the last two trades that we're going to manage anyway. So that was B. B was done. Actually, it was not a bad, good sell.
BB was like a 7 cents gain.
Yeah, but look, it was a good sell. Or
Yeah,
a good, good close.
yeah.
Like this is bullish. This is gonna go up. So I wasn't too preemptive. In hindsight, it was good. Well, let's look out for this one because this is still the stop loss enabled, and we don't want stop loss enabled. We want to extend and expand in the fair value gap. What will? Well, I mean, if it's a quick one, I'll grab it from here. If it's quick, if it's slow, ooh, arrow's not looking great.
It doesn't show any sign of weakness so far.
I mean, yeah.
It wants to reach the moving average, 100%.
This is an unsustainable candle, though. Like on 4 hours, even on 1 hour, it's an unsustainable candle.
5%
On
upward
50
candle.
minutes, it's kind of okay, but yeah. On 50 minutes, you'd still expect the Bollinger Band to come back in. Naors. Look at that. See what I mean? It bounces off the middle line going down. And that's why you want to get out.
Wow.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. That's what I said. If it goes quickly, I'll get in there. But I don't know. Like, yeah. Didn't expect that, to be honest.
Okay. Now the game is getting serious.
Yeah. How's Bitcoin doing? No, that has dropped. Come on, people. Move down. Can Pippin recover quickly? I mean, look at this. This would be nice. There's a new one here now. It's a new candle, so it's not necessarily very wide Bollinger Band. The RSI is going up. Stochastic is going up.
Let's wait for the close of this candle.
What is Arrow doing? It really doesn't know what it wants. Bitcoin's holding. I mean, how much would we make if we sell this one? $9. Ooh. We're long and short, and we're both down $7. Now, how is that possible? How is that possible, people? I mean, we could add another order if it goes quick. I'll happily grab this one. Yeah. If it goes quick, I'll happily grab that one. This one's so slow now. How's yours? Yeah, it's still like
It's still there.
Anytime.
Yesterday.
Wouldn't you say anytime that this thing can just drop like a it should. So why?
Yeah. But we don't know the time, the right time.
You never know. That's why we're layering. I'm not worried. We could close this stream in a loss. I'm okay with that. We've proven several times that we can close streams in profit. It's only logical that one day we're not going to be that lucky.
Never underestimate Ben.
So yeah. Is anyone else trading at this time? Doing some scalping sessions?
Bitcoin is flat.
Oh, we're getting a crossover.
The calm before the storm. I'm scared of another leg up on Arrow.
Yeah, I feel you, but if we can get that, if we can get the blue line of the stochastic RSI dip into the neutral zone, maybe. I mean, the stochastic is already going into the neutral zone. But it's a new candle. Anything can happen. Pippin is showing signs of some type of recovery, but the Bollinger Band is still very wide.
Yeah.
Like, if you're wondering, like, what does it matter if it's wide? Well, obviously, if it's wide, like here, this was a very wide one. Before you get into profits, where you get this move, it needs to narrow. Like so, this is a narrow one. And that can take a while. And we're using all the tools and indicators that we think are relevant. Not too much, not too many. It's just that these prices are now just going sideways. Yeah, you see arrows back. The candle back into the top part. How long can we do this? I don't see a divergence yet either. So for this is up. This is up.
No sign of weakness. No sign of weakness.
Now it was showing some some weakness, but then it recovered.
Fake.
Like a lot can happen
Yeah.
in a few minutes. Like, oh yeah, this is the 3 minutes, by the way. We were looking at the 5. So on the 3 minutes, it's, yeah, it had that, like here, it had that go down. Now it's back up. So, but yeah, this line stayed quite
Oh,
close.
pipping is bouncing. Pipping is
Oh.
bouncing.
Oh, okay.
Oh, here. What happened? Oh my god. Oh my god. From minus $10 to plus $5 in like 2 minutes. That is the
Yeah,
magic of scalping with quick scan.
I'm gonna close it, by the way. I close position.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
This is not a position that we want to stay in.
Oh
But
wow. It is unbelievable. Oh my god. Look at that candle.
we could have stayed in. Oh, that was our profit.
Oh my,
Oh,
good job. Good job.
yeah.
That was really fantastic. I got goosebumps for you, Ben.
Nice. So let's see. Let's update the stats.
Pippin, yeah. 4.4.
And the reason why I closed pip in there was because it was such a massive move. And we've had it, unfortunately, we've had it so many times where on that pip, we would then lose the trade, and that's not fun. That's not fun. So we don't want to do that anymore. We don't want to do that anymore. So we're currently up 8.
Yeah. 3 trades, 100% win rate, PNL plus 3.18. So is $8 for today. Amazing.
This guy is mad. What is he doing? I'm just trading Bollinger Bands and RSI with the help of our fair value gap scanner or indicator. This looks like it's slowing down. What do you think?
I think that I hate
I
arrow.
see. I see what I see. What do you see? What do you see? How would you call this?
Ooh. Yeah. So at a certain point, just suddenly, we gonna have a red candle like just happened on PP minus 10% in 2 minutes, and that's it. We're gone. Bye bye, everyone.
In technical terms, this is divergence, right? And this is bearish divergence. Why? Because we see an uptrend, but the RSI, we're seeing downtrends. And that's a bearish indicator.
Yeah, if you move back to 1:30 p.m., it happens the same. Yeah, look at that. Divergence, price was rising and then just
you see
dropped.
the price is still rising here, but it's slowing down. So it first had the move up strongly, then it slowed down. And on the RSI and stochastics, you get the divergence in that period. That means that it's slowing down. So we see the same here. So we see the strong move up. Oh, let's go. And we see it's slowing down, so the actual strength is out of the market, and we can see that being confirmed by this divergence. So it's a matter of time. It's just waiting until that market is finally deciding to give up and find liquidity to the lower sides. And this level is just so nice. I really like this fair value gap. So am I worried right now that I'm like basically throwing all of the profits that we made away? No. No, I'm okay with this drawdown. Does it help that it's the last trade and we're already up $7? For sure. If this is the first trade of the day, you're not happy. You're going to be stressed, and especially if the like this is $7, it's not that much, but yeah, if it's more, then you're going to be stressed. Like if you're hoping for $1,000 trade on the day, then yeah, you don't want that.
Even George agrees with you.
Yeah, well, you can see also that the Bollinger Band is narrowing. Right? And a narrowing Bollinger Band is also a good indicator. Like if we see it here, Bollinger Band narrowing, down. Like if it plays out exactly like this, then we might see that little bounce back up. So we might see taking out this fair value gap, little bounce back, and then down there. So let's draw it on the chart and see if we can get it there. So we might see something like taking there, going back there, and then getting the drop to that level. And where we'll be half an hour late. Well, I don't have time to wait that long, but I do have some extra time today. So we'll see. Hopefully we can hit the applause button again. And then I'd be happy. I can sleep peacefully knowing that we closed yet another live stream in good profit. And then we're on a quite a good streak, wouldn't you say? Do you still have the results from the last sessions? We should show.
I deleted it, but I do remember was okay. Let me rewind the last streaming so I can tell you exactly what it was, because I'm curious as you.
Yeah, we should show that, like our weekly results. They should be in the bank.
Yeah. That will be exciting.
I mean, we're almost starting to sound professional here. Drawing the lines, expecting the move.
Yeah, textbook trading. So last week we had 1.4% profit.
And the week before that was 20% profit.
Correct. So I think maybe in 1 month we are reaching around 27% of profit. Yeah, that's crazy.
Yep, that's quite good. And I mean, so far, this is kind of going as expected.
And by the way, only doing 1 hour of scalping. So
yeah.
It's like 4 hours of trading every month.
Yeah.
More or less.
More or less. Yeah. You don't need to trade long to get
Here we go. The moment is showing up. Here we go, Ben.
Let's show the profit calculation to see how we're doing.
And George was right. It's going down, I think. Look at here, George. Your forecast was right.
Now, as this is the last part of the stream, I will be locking it in. I'm not gonna go above this candle again. If that means a $3 loss, it so be it. But that's because it's the last part of the stream, and yeah. And at least we can say we closed yet another stream in profit, because
another achievement. Unlock. Gonna hand the streaming profit again.
Let's look at the 1 minute.
Ooh. Wow. Now there is only one way, the downside.
The dark side.
Dark side of arrow. Palpatine, always in our mind. Palpatine.
It's outside of the Bollinger Band, so we could see a little bit of a slight recovery on the minute. Like even on the minute chart, it's not going to be a straight line down. At least usually isn't. A little bit hugging of the blue line is also fine. Like we get a new candle now. It's unfortunate that it's on our break even, because ideally I would have liked to have it closed on a recovery. But at least if it goes, if we close this candle in green and it goes below it, then I'll move my stop loss in. It's possible that this is just going to be a recovery, and it's like it's going to be this move, right? So that's very much possible. And normally, if this was the beginning of the live stream, I would not place my stop loss here. I would place my stop loss or not even have the stop loss yet. But as this is, we're already over the hour of the stream, and I have other family obligations. I can't stay in this trade for too long, and that means that we will just get out and close it in a small loss, which is not maximizing our potential. And you could definitely decide to do differently on your trading. So if you're following this strategy, obviously that's great. And then you could decide differently, but yeah. Sometimes life just gets in the way and you just have to close a position because you simply don't have time to manage it. And when you're scalping, that's just what you have to do. If you're doing swing trading, it's wildly different because you have like hours to make decisions. And that's more my preferred style of trading. That's why I'm not doing this more than an hour a week. I mean, I could. I mean, we're making profits. If I did this 8 hours a day, we could be onto something really. But yeah, my life just simply does not allow that. Yeah. And that's the reality of it. Like you need to find the trading style that fits your personal lifestyle, your personal comfort. And I did this for a while, a few years ago, and it was just causing me too much stress. And being glued to a chart is not simply what I prefer doing. So when I found my balance in swing trading, which is where I like to be, and yeah, obviously using alt trading and swing trading is just like the match made in heaven. So and I truly believe that, right? That's not a sales pitch. I mean, I'm using my platform for that. I built this platform for myself, and it just happened to do really well, and we could sell it to others so that others could profit in a similar style from my efforts in this trading platform. And obviously,
Totally agree.
it's not a charity. That's not. I mean, I am a developer by trade. I love that, and I fell in love with trading 8 years ago, especially trading cryptos, because trading other types of instruments is just, the tools that are out there are just horrendous. And I would love to hook up alt trading to those tools, but it's also a matter of the APIs that we have to use and connect to. They're just really archaic, old, and clunky, and yeah, hard to deal with. So that's why it's been slightly difficult to do. But that doesn't mean that we won't get there one day. Right now, I think it's time. We're at the end of the stream. Let's lock in that profit. Let's either get out. Let's get out in style, or let's just close this position in profit.
Now it goes straight to the take profit.
Yeah. So far, this is playing out as expected. Not. I mean, I'm not a magician. I can't magically tell or forecast where this is going. But I did say it was going to go down, it's going to go up, and then continue its way down. I don't make this up. Well, I did make it up, but I just read it in the chart from the other side. Like these markets tend to move the way that they move. And we're going to close more because I think, yeah, I do like nice profit. Even now, even if we include, yeah, okay, we're out. That's good. That's very well managed, I should
Happy
say.
ending for everyone again.
That's very well managed.
Congrats, Ben.
That's a nice. 136. No, it's not finalized yet.
System it's synchronized. Not yet.
Yeah, now it is 171. Lovely.
171. Yeah. Oh, didn't expect that that amount.
Look at this. That was the perfect close, actually. That was the perfect close.
Wow. Wow. Unbelievable. Okay.
Nice. This is what we'd like to see, people.
You actually got the perfect time just to realize another great profit. 4 trades,
and it's still possible, right? So it could be that this is just the bounce there, and then we have another one, and then down there. Like, it doesn't go down straight. Like it. That's it's very rare to happen like that. But yeah, the 3 minutes. No, actually, this is good. Yeah, I'm fairly confident now that it will continue to do this, and then this, and then that. I would say so. We could leave it in and see what happened. See right or not. We can learn from it. So I've saved it. So hopefully next week we'll be able to look at it and see whether or not we made the right decision to exit, or maybe we should have held longer and actually ride this whole wave. Like, can you imagine what would happen if you did that? That's a 30% trade on that.
Yeah, let's see next
Alright.
week, like testing. Let's see next
So
week.
we closed with 3.8%.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
4 out of 4. I mean, technically, if you take in that little F up in the beginning, then we're still like 271. We're still well in profit.
Yeah. Maybe around 2.8, something like that. If you
Yeah.
want, I can tell you exactly if you want to know, guys.
Yeah, I
If
want.
we count the minus 2.71, we will be 2.7% PNL
In an hour
in an hour.
on your trading portfolio. Like, I mean, normally people say take 1% a day and you'll be a millionaire by whatever. But that's not good enough for us.
What else I could say? Nothing.
To be fair, we do this once a week, so we need to be like at 5 or 7% a week in order to be that millionaire. So we're not going to be the millionaire. Let's face it. We're slowly growing our stack, though. Yeah.
Yeah. First achievement 1,000.
We can actually check that.
Oh yeah.
Like, how did we do? So this was when I was learning smart money concept.
So just
learning
from August.
Right, and this is where we started to do a quick scan live trade.
So it's 6 months. 6 months, right? Yeah, 5 months. 5 months.
From August 14, yeah, we were at 155.
So it's like 85%.
Oh, we can check. Like, we can go back to
August
1st. And we can see. Yeah. So 30-day change, 32%. Oh yeah. Nice. And if you're wondering, like, what's the actual, like, it's only USDT, right? We're on a futures exchange. So $100 from the 1st of August. Actually, not even the lowest point. The lowest point was, yeah, the lowest point was 155. Yeah, here, 14th of August. Nice. All right. Well, I'd say that was a successful session.
Yeah.
And look, it's so far it's moving like we said. All right, no more. This is the end of the live stream. Thanks everyone for watching. Remember that OKX event, if you're in the Netherlands, if you're in Amsterdam, on the 15th of December, by all means sign up, join us. I will add the link in the description so that you can sign up. Also, leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see us do this again next week and you want to be there and notified. Also, sign up to AllTrading if you haven't done so. It's free. You can do paper trading for free, back testing for free, all that kind of stuff. If you want to get started, by all means, do so. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching. Raffa, thank you for joining me and supporting me through this yet another lovely session.
Thanks, Ben. Thanks, everyone. See you tomorrow for the weekly recap.
Oh, yes. The weekly with Dimitro and Raffa.
Awesome.
Make sure that you subscribe and join that. All right. Talk to you later.